Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So I just arrived in Croatia today. As you can see guys, I am on a boat, alright? I'm on a boat here. So I'm gonna sleep in this beautiful and peaceful place tonight. There is not too much wind, which is good. And as promised guys, I'm here to make an update on AMC because we had some strong bearish moves that happened the past 2 days, and I'm here to analyze everything that happened with you and tell you what I'm seeing coming. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so a lot of things happened on Friday, and as usual, I'm gonna first start by remembering you what I was telling you guys in my last video. This was my drawing, and I have to say that on this one guys, I'm very sorry, I didn't see it coming. We had two very bearish days in a row, so Thursday and Friday session. I did my last video here around 57, and I told you guys that 61, 64 is the level we need to trade above so that my scenario is confirmed. But here what happened is that basically the market got here rejected at 61, as you can see, and then strongly moved down, all right? And we went to 48. So I'm gonna come to this, I'm gonna tell you what I think might happen next. I'm gonna tell you again what is my new what are my new scenarios. But first, very interesting, I want to go through what happened here with you, and I want to see if I could have seen it coming. And once again guys, you need to be aware that my scenarios, they're just scenarios, you know. So most of the time I'm right, that's true, but sometimes I'm gonna be wrong, like here. So you always need to be prepared for kind of the worst case scenario. And here let's analyze if we could have seen it coming. So basically my scenario was like this: we do 1, 2, and I thought we were in a 3. And here, you know, what I use to know if the market is gonna shift from the trend it's having from my scenario is, for example, divergences. So here I measure the high here and the high here, and I check the MACD during the same time. And basically guys, here I have no information, all right? The market is making a flat, but the MACD is going higher, so it's not even an exaggerated divergence, all right? We could have you know, this one, so the bearish exaggerated divergence, which is here. So basically the market making flat, you know, same highs, and the MACD going lower, but we didn't even have it, all right? You can see that the MACD was not going lower, the MACD was going higher, which is not bearish. So here there was nothing bearish. The only thing that you could have used, and once again guys, I'm sorry I was not with you during those 2 days. As you know, I quit my job, so I'm gonna have more time, I'm gonna follow AMC more closely with you. And here you had one information that is very useful guys: trend lines, all right? So basically I told you 52 is a level, but you have a short-term level here. When you connect this low and you go through this one and you try to connect as many lows as you can, you have this trend line here, and you can see that it got broken here, and then we started to strongly move down. So this one is not easy to spot. You need to be a day trader, you need to be you know, 100% focused on your market, which I wasn't guys, because I'm on holidays, so I didn't warn you here. And once again, I'm very sorry about that. I will try really my best for this not to happen again. You know, it's trading, it happens. Sometimes you have some unexpected moves that you try to analyze afterwards. You try to see what you could have done to see it coming. Here the only thing that I would have done is to use this trend line, and once it's broken, you can see we had 1, 2, 3, 6 reactions guys, and then it's broken, and then we only move lower. Then let me come back to what to me is happening right now. So this scenario is definitely off the table, but we still have maybe this one, all right? So this could be a stronger ABC. So this is one of my scenario. It's not my preferred scenario. So basically it's an XYZ. You can see that here you have some small ABCs. You see A, B, C, A, B, C, and ABC. So it's, you know, the usual stuff, you know, a combination of corrective patterns, all right? So this one was not easy to spot, but this is what could still be happening. And to know that this is still a kind of, you know, consistent 1, 2, I measure. So let me get rid of those small ABCs, you know, because they're just polluting my chart here. But I'm just gonna keep the bigger one, and here you can measure. Basically you use fibs guys, as I showed you how to do. My little brother is just, you know, swimming down the boat, so it's a bit disturbing me. So let's stay focused here. All right, so I measured the first wave, and you can see, guys, that the second wave went to the 61.8%, so the basically 48 level. And guys, this is a level I told you about. All right, so I'm not saying that I saw this one coming, this strong bearish move that happened in the past 2 days. I didn't see it coming, that's true, but the level we went to is for me still a level that is acceptable in my scenario, that this is still a force that is finished, complete, and here we're having a 1-2. But this second wave is a bit long for me, so this is not my preferred scenario, but this is still on the table. We are trading above 48. We closed the week just above 52, guys, which is actually the level that for me was very important. We closed above this level, and you can see that on the 4 hours time frame here, we closed at 52.7, guys, which is above this trend line, which is good. So basically here, if you use 52 on the 4 hours, guys, you don't even have a breakout. You have first the breakout, but then we didn't confirm. We didn't have 2 consecutive candles trading below 52. So guys, this is for me quite okay. And I'm gonna come to my scenario, that is actually this one. And one more thing I wanted to show you guys is that here, actually on the 4 hours time frame, look what we're having. Once again, you can see that from here to here, the market is making higher lows, right? Higher lows. What is the MACD doing, guys? What is the MACD doing? Lower lows. What's that? It's a hidden bullish divergence. Let me show you guys this. It's this one. The market making higher lows even when the momentum is going down, which means that we are in a bearish movement and that the bears are not able to make new lows, which is bullish on the 4 hours time frame, which is the reason why I'm coming back to my scenario, is that bears are in control. I just said the momentum is shifting down. So, when the momentum is shifting down, it's actually hard to really start the new move. So my scenario that was here, that this is a 1-2, is maybe not the one that is playing out, because I would have liked to see a shift of momentum coming earlier. I didn't have it, so right now I think that maybe we're doing a triangle, an A, B, C, D, E. So I'm not sure, but this is my preferred scenario. So we bounce back, we go to 57, we do the D wave, then we're coming back again to the 52 level one more time before the strong move up. So basically I'm still bullish on the long term. I am neutral on the short medium term. I am very careful on this 48 level, guys. If we break this 48 level on the 4 hours time frame, this means that basically this scenario is off the table and that this is my alternative scenario, and you need to be aware that this is a possible scenario, guys. It means that basically we're having a big ABC, guys, a WXY, let's label it like this, which would be like WXY, all right? And then we would probably go back to the 37 level around here before bouncing back. So anyways, in all of my scenarios, we are in a false waves. If this changes, I will let you know, but for now, I have all the kind of behaviors of a false wave. I just struggle a bit to label it properly and to predict what the market would do. That's true. Corrective waves are usually messy, and here I'm struggling a bit. Once again, I am very sorry I didn't warn you about this strong bearish moves that happened the past 2 days. But right now I think that the situation is under control. I think that this false wave is a triangle. So let's see if I'm right. If it may not be a triangle as well, it may also be a zigzag or a flat. That would look, now this would be like the second wave, that would look like this, but we could also have, a WXY correction like this. So careful at the 48 level on the 4 hours time frame, guys. This is the level you want to watch. The 52 level is still a support level, so you can have a look at this one as well. And one more thing I wanted to talk about, guys, in this video is a friend of mine that is actually living in Hong Kong. He's a billionaire, very young billionaire. He just created his cryptocurrency, and he's giving me the opportunity, guys, to tell you about that. And basically you just sign up and you get free token of his cryptocurrency that he just started 5 weeks ago, that is not listed yet. So this is a golden opportunity, and it's a referral system. So basically if some people sign up and give your name, you're gonna have free token that are coming on your account, and then it's gonna get listed probably in 6 months or something like this, and we're gonna see how much this is worth. So for now, maybe it's not gonna worth much, but I believe he put like millions of USD in this project. So I believe this is gonna go, it can be a very nice project. It's basically about decentralized finance. It's something that is actually very promising. in the current environment. So I'm gonna give you this in the description. I'm gonna talk about this in my Discord as well. So just a small thing I wanted to tell you guys in this video, and I hope you enjoyed everything I told you here. I am still bullish on AMC on the long term. I am neutral on the short term, but I believe we're gonna have this fifth wave coming, maybe a bit later, maybe in like 2 weeks, you know, something like this. We need maybe a bit more time, maybe around the 15th of July, something like this, you know, once this triangle would have converged fully. So that's it for me, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget, guys, to click on the sub, like and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. See you guys.